in this video we will look over the looping concept, right? So you can think a loop is a simple example this way, right? Suppose okay, let me tell you. You can read this content. They give you a link of this, right? To understand loop. Suppose you want to print 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So these numbers you want to print. So either you use print, right? So print statement, and by using print statement, you will be printing one first, then print for two, right? Then print for three, similar so on. Or you could do this way, right? Print one slash n, two slash n, three, right? So these things are more cringy, right? So 10, so you this is possible, you can write it, but what if 10,000 numbers are available here, right? So what would we do in that case? So for that purpose, we use looping concepts, right? So Python provides two kinds of loops, for loop and the while loop, right? So for loop basically for use for the items like lists, right? So you have to print the items, number of items are available, right? So you want to iterate each items, right? So for loop is used for that purpose, and while loop is actually used most of the time for number of times the loop has to be run, right? The number of times a statement has to be executed, right? So for that purpose, while loop is used. So it would be more clear when you get the problems, right? So in upcoming videos, we will get the more problems for it. So let's look at the implementation. In simple implementation, we will going to look at that. So let me open it first. Start show again. Right. So first we are going to demonstrate the for loop, right? Suppose you have a list of books, right? So Quran is there, list, and so basically this is a list of scriptures, Gita and Bible, right? Now you want to print each item here. So in that case, you must be using for loop, right? So for x in list, you're going to print x, right? And this way you'll see that each item is going to be printed here. So this is about for loop. And now while loop, right? So while suppose there is a number m is greater than n is 0, right? You want to print even numbers, right? So n is equal to 0 initializing, so while n is suppose you want to print um, 0 to 10 in between 0 to 12 numbers here. So to print n and increase the n, you can use this operator, right? Or you can use simply n plus 2. Yes. So now you can see that the even numbers are printed 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So this is the simplest thing that we have done through while loop. So you can see here with the help of 3 lines of code, we are printing actually even the series of even numbers, right? So similarly, we're looking at the more examples and how could we make it more complex, right? So thanks for watching.